हेलो theory के viewers, friends, objective type exams की preparation के लिए we have started a series QSN, which is quick short notes, so that you can learn fast and save your precious time. Subscribe to the channel so that you can be updated about the latest videos. Today's topic, history of computer and generations of computer. Friends, we have covered this topic in detail in a previous video. You can watch this. We have shared the link below. So starting with the quick notes. The name of the first computer designed by Charles Babbage, difference engine in 1822. EDSAC stands for Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. इसमें calculator और computer में don't get confused. EDSAC में it is calculator, EDVAC में it is computer. EDVAC stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. John Mauchly and J. Eckert are the inventors of ENIAC computer. The first commercial computer was Mark I. The first electronic general purpose computer was ENIAC. The first electronic digital programmable computing device is Colossus. The punch card was invented by Herman Hollerith. Herman Hollerith developed a machine called tabulating machine. In the late 1880, Herman Hollerith invented data storage on punch cards that could then be read by a machine. Which electronic components are used in first generation computer? That is vacuum tubes. Which electronic component are used in second generation computer? It is transistors. Which electronic components are used in third generation computer? ICs, that is integrated circuits. VLSI microprocessors were used in fourth generation computers, and ULSI microprocessors are used in fifth generation computers. ENIAC computer belongs to first generation. A term in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer was being used, and that term is generation. The fourth generation was based on integrated circuits. No, it is false. It was based on VLSI microprocessor. First generation of computers started with using vacuum tubes as the basic component. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. ULSI stands for Ultra Large Scale Integration. Which language was used as a programming language in first generation computers? It is machine language. Fortran stands for Formula Translation. Batch processing was mainly used in which generation? In first generation. What is the emerging branch in computer science which interprets means and method of making computers think like human beings? That is artificial intelligence, AI. ULSI stands for Ultra Large Scale Integration. In which generation time sharing, internet, real-time networks, distributed operating systems were used? In fourth generation. HLL stands for High Level Language. The period of which generation was from 1952 to 1964? It was second generation. The chip used in computer is made of silicon. Fourth generation computers were based on VLSI microprocessors. The first computer language developed was Fortran. The first calculator that can perform all four arithmetic operations was known as Step Reckoner. The first computer spreadsheet program was VisiCalc. Father of computer or father of computing or father of mechanical computer is Charles Babbage, and father of modern computer is Alan Turing. What is the example of fourth generation language? PowerBuilder. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translation? Machine language. Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer, that is EDSAC, was invented by John Newman. फ्रेंड्स ये टेबल बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा। अगर आप इस टेबल को अच्छे से मेमोराइज़ कर लेते हैं तो आप इन टॉपिक से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 80% क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। सो प्लीज़ ये बहुत सिंपल तरीके से बना है, आप इसको अच्छे से मेमोराइज़ कर लेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, वी विल बी अपलोडिंग मोर सच वीडियोज़ सून।